What's up, guys? 2018 Honda Accord 2.0. They're all pretty much the same. We're gonna change this cabin filter right here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove and pull this glove box down. Not remove it completely. Open this glove box. So if you got something here like a little attachment, you can kind of push it. Some of them have string. This opens up just by doing that, and your glove box will come down. Okay. So once you do that, let's fix our light. Right in here, it says the airflow is down. Go by the airflow. If the filter has a direction, so that means it's a direction, that's not an airflow, okay? So always airflow is down, because if you see leaves on the top, that means the air enters from the top and it flows downward. There you go, that's what it looked like. So this is the original filter. Airflow error right there. So what we're gonna do is take this filter, same way we took out. This goes in. Okay, I think it fits better this way. It's more wider. There you go, perfectly. So make sure it closes all the way. You can put that filter the wrong way, and these little latches snapping in there. So the filter goes, you see this opening here, it goes like that. If you put it this way, it's kind of shorter, it's not covering from side to side. This closes it back up. If you got the little plunger here, you can snap that in. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Within 1 minute, 2 minutes maximum, you should be able to change this cabin filter. How often you should do it? Every 15 to 20,000 miles. This car has 100 and some thousand miles on it, and this is what it looked like in there. It's disgusting. They probably don't even have good airflow coming through it. So thank you for watching my video. See you guys on the next one.